All right. Okay. Marshall High School Athletic Association. All right, this sounds like one for you, Andy. Could you start for us?
Yeah, hold on. Open.
174. Christian, 174, please.
Okay. So, the Marshall High School Athletic Association sells tickets for the weekly football games. Students pay $5 and adults pay $10 for a ticket.
How much money would the Athletic Association collect if 100 students and 50 adults buy tickets for the game?
What's 50?
What are we going to need to do?
500.
Wait, I hear 500. How did he get 500?
Because you times 50 by...
Okay, we've got a couple pieces of information. Right here up at the top, put a box around. Students pay $5.
Yes, 500.
And adults pay $10. So there's two different prices. So students, 100 came this time, 50 came that time. What do I do with that info?
You times it.
You times it. If I have 100 students, each paying $5,
That's 500.
5 times 100 is going to get added to the amount for the adults. 50 times 10. Probably should have done that in another order. But what's 5 times 100?
50, or 500, sorry.
500 plus, what's 50 times 10?
500.
Another 500. 1,000.
$1,000.
Okay. You guys, right now at your tables, do B and C, please. B and C. Thank you. Thank you. I was testing you. There we go. Good. Now you're doing this. Put your brain together. Ask at your table, please. Ask at your table. Oh, wait. Hey, even when you're using a calculator, you should show your work. You should write down the type of math you're doing with your calculator. Okay? Because I had to give some people lack of credit because they had a number. If I saw what they were doing, maybe I could have given them credit. Okay? Refresh. Maybe I didn't. Just go like this. Can I click out of this? Maybe I just put it in securely when I go to grade. What's in blue? That's the average. Let me go look. Oh, is that it? I don't know why you can't see it on that. And it shows you all the stuff. There it is. Okay. What are we getting, my friends? If I could have your attention back up this way. 125 students and 75 adults. Brian, how do I write the math? What do I need to do?
97.
Okay, you're down here. 97.5 plus 10. What do we get when we multiply those two and then add them together?
485. And then 160.
Is that this? Is this 485 plus 1160? What do we get when we add them both? 1645. Do we agree with Brian? Okay. B. Anna, how do we get B? Okay, what do you get?
65 and 750 and then you get 1,075.
Do we agree with Anna?
Yeah.
Nice. How can you determine the total amount of money collected if you know the number of student tickets sold and the number of adult tickets sold? Please right now at your desk do 2 and 3. I'll walk around. 2 and 3. Put into words what you just did. One will be word form, one will be a formula, but they're asking you to explain or model what you just did. And right there. Don't.
Forming numbers.
Oh. You had a little heart attack there. Okay. Well, you can come on Wednesday after school, or you can turn it in and I'll give you points for what you have done. Okay? We're doing 2 and 3.
understand what you mean, but I think you need to be more specific. You need to say, because adults and students have pressure, right? So if you multiply just the total people, you get, an answer. And you multiply the number of students adults, and then you add the two sums.
Guess what I got?
Okay, we're on 2 and 3, my friend.
We all checked our grades.
Wait, can I see? Are we checking grades right
No.
now?
Okay. Number 2. You had to explain in writing. How did we do this? How did we do this? Yes, Andy.
You times the amount of tickets bought by either students or the parent by 5 or 10, depending on the kids or the students who bought them.
Bought by. Now I'm doing this quick. He said it better than what I'm writing down. By either $5 or $10, depending on if they, thank you, were students or parents. What's an expression we can write to represent what we were doing? Yes, Isabella?
5 times S plus 10 times A equals C.
Oh, I like that. We'll call it total. Okay, use S to represent the number of student tickets and A to represent the number of adult tickets. You could have T over here, you could have total. I wanted to only focus on 2 variables at a time. If you don't have something for number 2 and 3, write that down. Explain how your expression represents this problem situation. What does 5S mean? What does 10S mean? 10A mean? 5S, what does that mean? $5 a student ticket. And what does 10A mean? $10 per adult. Okay? Moving over to the next page. It's probably a good spot to pause.